So let's talk chemicals, more specifically chemical peels. These are very popular, so we love these in the office because they can target a lot of different things. So if you're not, I guess, interested in energy-based devices, we definitely have an option for you. So there are multiple chemical peels, and really what's the most important about them is what are they, what ingredients are in them, because each one of them will do a different thing. So as far as lactic acid, azelaic acid, malic acid, glycolic acid, salicylic acid, and the list goes on as far as ingredients are concerned. So here at Renew, we actually have probably about 5 to 7 different kinds of peels, all targeting either aging concerns, fine lines, wrinkles, melasma, pigmentation, laxity, skin texture, tone, pores, you name it, acne. We can actually cover acne scarring as well with any number of these chemical peels. So what do you need to do in preparation if you're thinking about having a chemical peel? First things first is you want to stop any kind of irritants to the skin. So if you're already using some of these chemicals in a lower dosage at home, let's say you have a glycolic acid or a vitamin C or retinol or something that you're using, we do want you to stop that about 3 days prior to the treatment. When you come in, we'll apply the chemical peel, but really that's the only preparation you need beforehand. Once we apply the chemical peel, we usually will send you home with all the aftercare instructions as well as any products you need to take care of your skin afterwards. Most of the downtime you're going to experience with the chemical peel is going to be about 24 to 48 hours after the peel is applied, usually not the same day, because it takes time for your skin to kind of register that and then start turning over. Each one of the chemical peels can be deemed as light to strong. So light peels generally will peel only for 3 to 5 days and have kind of a dry flaking, if you will, and so that's really easy to kind of go through your day, put makeup on, and probably go back to work. We also have medium strength peels, which gives you about 3 to 5 days of downtime, which you have more extreme peeling. And then we've got deeper peels where you could have about 14 days to 30 days of downtime, depending on the intensity and what we're trying to target. But each of these different peels would be specific for your concern, which you would talk to one of our doctors about, or myself. And that's really it. Most importantly, staying out of the sun is what I always recommend, and wearing sunscreen and reapplying sunscreen. That is very important. A lot of us forget that, but sunscreen is only active for 90 minutes on the skin. So we really want you guys to wear your sunscreen and reapply as much as possible, especially if you're going to be outdoors, but even when you're just running your errands or out and about, especially after the chemical peel.